UFOs, fountains that are also aerials, and even 10,000 snakes at once. This is a compilation of the best, most exciting fireworks I lit in 2024. Here's to a great 2025, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here's the baby UFO compared to the Soaring Phoenix for later. Here we go. Up, up, and away. Here we go. Oh my God. That was sweet. Take a look at that. This is what Occupy Mars looks like with the top off. You got 10 shots on the outside and a girandola in the middle. Let's light it up. 10-shot kick plus a girandola. This is gonna be sweet. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's loud. Yeah! Those are awesome. One of my favorite types of fireworks. Let's do the Soaring Phoenix. Largest girandola UFO firework I could find. This is the Soaring Phoenix. Here we go. Oh my gosh! Wow! Holy crap. Take a look at that. Dripping down. That was beautiful. Double break artillery show. Whoa. Nice. Those were actually pretty loud.
Sorry.
Second shell. Those are impressive.
Got some bass to them.
For having 2 breaks, these still are really nice shells. Let's do the third one. Sick. Pretty impressive so far. Here goes number 4. Red, white, and blue. That was a nice one. Here we go, number 5. Oh, I like that strobe.
No, this one's kind
Jacked up.
of weird.
Is it still gonna fly out? Yeah, it'll fly out.
You might want to stay back a little bit.
Okay. Last one.
All right, cool.
Awesome shells. What was that?
I said I'm glad it went up.
The double nuke. 9-shot, 18 break NOAB. This is gonna be crazy. Double nuke. Man, those are big breaks. Big crackle. Oh, those both broke at the same time. Awesome! One bad granny, 500-gram fountain. Wow. Oh man. Look at that color. That thing lit so fast. Man, that was short but sweet. That was awesome. Bravado, this one's gonna have some super unique effects. Oh, wow. Yeah, there it is. That is really bright. Look at that, lighting up the whole ground. Man. Oh, check that out. Ooh, more strobe. A lot of volleys of strobe. Crackle finish. Nice one, man. That would be a great show opener. And now the moment you've been waiting for, the best fountain I've ever seen. Cemetery Gates. Look at that blue. Just wait for the finale on this. Oh yeah. Long duration too. That went nuclear! Here goes Cactus Jack. Nice. That was pretty sweet. 3 in 1. Here goes Monster Cave. Crackle's a little bit weak. Wow. Okay. Oh. That was pretty nice. That one was chaotic. Butterfly Blaze. I am super excited to see the effect at the end here. Oh yeah, nice crackle right off the bat. There it goes. Look at that. That is sweet. Awesome. Grand Slam by Black Scorpion. 500 gram hybrid fountain. Here's the finale. Did the fuse burn out? Oh, there we go. Nice. Beautiful color there. Man, it's still going. Where's the mine shots at? There they are. Oh, wow. Man. It's like a Roman candle. That was awesome. These are called monkeying around. They're gonna be daytime spinners. Let's hit 4 at once, 2 of each color. And looks like only 2 went. There you go, a little silver spinner. And I think we're gonna get smoke here too. And the 3rd one went. There you go, there's the smoke bomb part. Blue coming out of the blue. Looks like some purple coming out of the red. Here goes another one. Wow. And there's the smoke. That is pretty cool. Never seen a smoke spinner before. Speaking of smoke spinners, look at this. We got 4 different colors of the daytime drones. Let's hit the yellow one first. These are going to fly up into the air with some nice smoke trails. Let's back up, make sure I get this in frame. There it goes. Oh, wow. Nice. Look at that little smoke it left behind. That got up there. And here goes the blue. Smoke drone blue. Wow. Nice. Those are pretty sweet. Got the green. The market left on the board. There we go. Yeah. And we got one last one. It is the red. Here goes the red. Oh yeah. think that was the best one. We got Smoke Trails by Mad Ox, 16-shot cake. This is gonna have actual brakes to it as well. So not only the smoke trails, but also some brakes and some crackle. Here we go. Let's see it. This is gonna be nice. There we go. Yeah. Those are pretty decent brakes. There we go. Nice. This is a daytime use Roman candle called Contrails. Here we go. Is it going? Oh! Damn, that's loud. Wow. What? Oh, there it is. I guess that was interesting. What'd you think?
That's it?
The Pyro Gyro. Take a look at that thing. What's it gonna do? Let's see. Oh, like a mini fountain out the top. Oh. Whoa! That was awesome. 12-inch missile. There it goes. This is the red one. Never lit a rocket like this before. Let's see what it does. Whoa! Holy cow. Damn. That was crazy. All right, here goes the black one, man. There we go. Whoa! Nice. Those get up there, dude. That's like a canister shell on a rocket body. Gonna try to hit both. Got both. Here we go. Wow. Damn. 10 out of 10 would recommend. 2 Pyro Gyros at the same time. These are absolutely awesome. Whoa. Whoa! Holy crap.
That one lit the other one, but it didn't light it right.
That was not meant to happen.
Yeah, it lit like the liftoff charge.
The grand finale, drone swarm. This is gonna have 8 of them launching at the same time. Here we go. There we go, there's 1, 2. Oh my gosh, wow! Holy crap. Here goes the first shell. Shell number 1. Oh, wow. Yeah, that was a perfect ring. Awesome. Shell number 2. There we go. Last one is awesome. Wow. Nice. Here goes number 3. Dude, these are all sick. Highly recommend these shells. Here goes number 4. That one broke sideways. Huh. Let's see if we get a better ring this time. That last one's a little bit sideways. Here we go. This shell number 5. Oh man, that was cool. Last one. Let's see if the best one is saved for last. Nice. Awesome shell kit. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Assorted snakes. Each of these has 36 to a pack. Let's open these all up. the last pack. Take a look at my hands. Jeez. Oh my goodness. This is 10,000 snakes at the same time. In 3, 2, 1. And it is going. Wow, the heat off of that is crazy. Oh my goodness. Wow. A lot of smoke. Holy cow. That is so hot. Ridiculously hot. How long are they gonna keep going? They are just still going. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. And that is the result of $120 of snakes at the same time. Whoa!
What? It's a rock.
Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more awesome fireworks content, check out the fireworks testing playlist on the screen right now. That was absolutely insane. See you guys in the next one. Never do I want to unravel snakes again.